how easy was that to set up? This is the 2025 from Cub Campers Drifter Dual Fold model. It's Australian owned, Australian built and Australian made. Let's take a look. Now the heart and soul of being outdoors is camping in the elements. Knowing that the sun's out or the stars at night time, you can sit back and cook a great meal for yourself or your family. But you're looking at this and you think, where does it come from? Well, quite simple. It folds out on two sliders from underneath the Drifter and a couple of legs there, and you easily fold it back over, so it's really simple. Have a look at these features here. It's all powered by Dometic. So we've got a 3 gas burner under here, and on this side here, we've got our sink, which is plumbed through 2 quick release hoses. You can have hot water optional as well, but I really want to focus on the actual craftsmanship here. This is all stainless steel, and it's been manufactured and folded in our Sydney plant at Cub Campers. Here we've got a couple of drawers there. You can put your cups, you can put your plates, you can put your utensils, anything like that, or even your cookbook. And on this side here is another one where you can put all your dish stuff that's going to do your washing up at the end of the night. And at the end of the day, you simply fold it back up, fold the legs back down and slide it away. Now every kitchen must have a really good fridge freezer. Have a look at this. This system here seems to be absolutely huge. In fact it is, because it's capable of holding most 95 litre fridge freezer units such as an Evercool or a Dometic. We just lift up this latch, slide it back in. And there's also an Anderson plug to keep it nice and cold and get the power to it. Adjacent, your fridge freezer slide out, we've also got a slide out pantry. Huge. In fact, so much storage in here, you can easily put your long life milk, your cereals, and plenty of dry goods for your long awaiting trip. We've also got the fire extinguisher up here. Up top, plenty of room there for your tent poles, or in my case, my fishing rods. Let's have a look at the pointy end of the business now. In here we've got our in-house made stone guard that's going to keep everything protected behind this, such as our 2 4.5 kilo gas bottles. Either side of those gas bottles, we've got 2 20 litre jerry can holders. Now this black system here is for our diesel, so if you are having a diesel heater, you will get one of those. And on the Drifter Dual Fold, there's also the hand pump that's attached to the drawbar. Let's have a look at the front now, where it connects to your car. So at the front here, we've got the option of the DA35 over a 50mm ball. Have a look at the chassis. Absolutely built like a Tonka truck. It's got 150mm by 50mm. It's 3mm thickness. It's blue scope steel, and it's manufactured in our plant at Cub Campers in Sydney. We've got the handbrake here. It's electric brakes, so you've got to make sure you've got that on your car. The ATM is 1900. Tear weight on this system is around 1400. I love the simplicity of this. Have a look at this. This is where you put your chains. So nothing's dragging on the ground. So once you unhook from your car, you simply put them up nice and easy as well. This is also an extended drawbar. So it's a little bit longer, ideal for those with utes. Or if you want to put some bike racks on the front here, it gives you the option of doing that as well. Let's have a look on the other side. Taking a look around the opposite side here of the Drifter, there's so much more storage for you to put all your gear. Have a look at this at the front end. Again, it's the opposite side where we have our fishing rods, or of course your awning poles. We've also got plenty of storage down below. The side here, which is opposite where our fridge freezer sits, more storage once again. It also has a sensor light, so you're not going to be sitting blind looking into the darkness there. Plenty of room, again, you're not going to be stuck without space. And if you want to put a solar unit on there, there's an Anderson plug under the driver's side, the front of the Drifter. And for those cold nights, if you have the diesel heater, well, you're not going to go astray without having a nice hot shower. Really easy, just plugs in, twist, it's all connected. Nice, quick and easy. And also, by turning this, it gives you hot or cold. And when you pull up to your powered site, this is where you put your 240 in. That directly feeds into the electrical locker system. We'll get into that shortly. And your fill points for your water tanks comes with 100 litres. And of course, this has been upgraded with an extra 80 litre tank. This is the electrical locker system. Have a look at this. So this is really cool. Starting up top here, we've got the water level in our tank to understand how much water we have in there. Down here we've got the projector battery management system backed up with the Victron shunt. So you can have that on your app on your phone. It's going to give you all the details of what's happening there. We've got, of course, our fuse box here. Down here we've got a USB and a USB-C charger for your phones or anything else, and also straight 12 volt. This is your DC to DC battery charger, which is awesome for when you have your Anderson plugs, so you can get everything charged whilst you're towing, and also capable of handling your solar power as well. Over this side here, if you are towing, make sure you just got it onto your fridge. It shuts down everything else on the van, but it'll keep all those nice cold beverages cool in your fridge. And up top here, of course, is the last but not least, the circuit breaker. And just behind our electrical station, we've got our battery box here. It's fully enclosed with an air vent going out to the back. And inside there, we've got our standard 100 amp hour AGM battery, although you can do an upgrade like we've done here with two 150 amp hour lithiums. And like all external hatches around the Drifter, you're going to find they are waterproof and dustproof. And at the rear end of our Drifter, we've got our spare tyre. Now, this is the optional extra in the sense of its alloy rim. They do come standard with your steel rims all round. And of course, they've also got these storage boxes, which you might want to put on the end. Again, another optional extra for you. Inside the Drifter, dual fold, absolutely brilliant. Have a look at the table. This is really cool. Just lift the lever, moves around, you can rotate it, you can get easily in and out if you've got bigger people, anything like that, so easy. It also goes up and down, and it can make into another bed, meaning 2 up the front, 2 in the middle, 2 down the back, so it can sleep 6. The bed here, it's a king size. I can easily lay down on that, not a problem. It's got dual reading lights, and it's got dual USB and USB-C charging stations. On the kids' end, it's more like a double. It's brilliant as well. It's got the single reading light and the single USB-C and USB charger. Now, we all love a good night's rest. And I tell you what, on this mattress that comes standard with the Drifter is a pillow top inner spring. You can also upgrade the kids' foam bed to an inner spring as well. Up top, we've got strip LED lighting, so there's no worries about missing out anything in the dark. The whole cabin is lit up at night time superbly. We've also got some 240 volt outlet, and also taken a look at the GSM of this canvas. It's 11 ounce, so meaning it's really lightweight, so in heavy rain, no water's going to come through, but it's also going to fold away nice and quickly and dry really quickly. So under this seat here, we have our diesel hot water system and heater. So in those cooler climates, you're going to have beautiful hot air pumping down and around your feet, and of course, filling this cabin with beautiful warm air. And of course, if you're in the tropics, how good is this? Midge-proof screens, so no bodies are coming in or insects, and you can have the alfresco by lifting the awnings and allowing all that beautiful outside inside. As for storage, there's plenty around the outside of the Drifter, and there's a ton more inside, particularly under the king bed. We've got 6 different little levels there where you can put all your shoes or anything that you want to put into boxes, and of course under the seating. Now, if you want to go off-road, I mean off-road, this Drifter is going to let you get to those places you could only ever dream of. It's got a dual shock, coil independent suspension, and it's backed by Cub Camper's 5-year off-road warranty. It's also got the extreme pack on this, meaning we've gone from the steel to the alloy rims with an upgraded tyre. And also, the heavy-duty water tank has been recessed underneath. We've got the 4 stabilised legs to even out your van on those slopey grounds. And at the same time, it's been sealed, so tracking over some water crossings, not a problem. And guys, if you're like me, and when I'm out camping, I love to have that beautiful air coming through, the smell of nature. Well, with these window weather shield kits, it allows you to do that. Quite easy, you just erect them around the van. It's going to keep you nice and dry while allowing that beautiful air to rotate through. Now, if you want to escape the weather, rain, hail or shine, this easy to erect awning is huge. It's big enough to cover the kitchen sink, and it's easy to do with one person. It takes about 10 minutes. Zip across the top, some Velcro down, spreader bars, and you're in that shade. And of course, there's so many features on here, from outlets through to the LED strip lighting. There's too many to feature, but all I have to say to you is check out your local Cub Campers dealer for more on the specs. And of course, I love to say, it's built Aussie tough.